Happy 18th birthday, Kayan! Happy 18th birthday, Kayan!
Happy 18th birthday, Kay. Good health and God bless. We love you.
Okay. Happy birthday. It's your turning lady na, ha? Just enjoy your life and focus to your goal. Happy birthday. Advance Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. God bless. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kian! Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Wala magaling ang pag-aaral mo, ha? Gagalingan mo, pag-aaral. Happy birthday, Kian. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kayan! We wish you all the best from Jumampo Family, Pilipinas!
Hi Ate Kay! Happy 18th birthday! Wishing you all the best in life, a day full of happiness, and a year full of joy. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Kayan!
We wish you all the best.
Stay what you are and we're always proud of you. We miss you and hoping to see you soon.
Pass it on your journey.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Kayan. Wishing you a future filled with happiness, success, and unforgettable moments. Always love your family. Enjoy your special day. We miss you and we love you. Happy 18th birthday, Kayan. Wishing you a future filled with happiness, success, and unforgettable moments. Always love your family. Enjoy your special day. We miss you and we love you.
Hi Kay! Happy 18th birthday! God has gifted you with another year of life. May you continue to grow in His love, and may God's grace and love be your guiding light today and always. I love you!
Happy 18th birthday, KL. On your 18th birthday, I pray that you will be filled with the love of the Lord and find happiness in every situation as you step in this new chapter. Happy birthday, we miss you.